Lucky 9, all the way to Peña Francia Avenue, hanggang dun sa kanton, sa crossing ng Peña Francia, Magsaysay, and Liboton. So pagdating sa Liboton, kakaliwa na tayo, going all the way to Bagong Bayan Sur. So pagdating ng crossing ulit, going to Canacman, Liboton, and Kiburak, and Bagong Bayan. So pagdating sa crossing, Bagong Bayan Sur yung kukunin nating route, tapos Ateneo Avenue. Okay? So ulitin natin. Yung route is from Ateneo going to Jollibee area, turn around dun sa may Crown Hotel, going dun sa Lucky 9, then dire-diretso all the way dun sa Peña Francia Avenue, then Liboton, tapos Bagong Bayan Sur. So walang diretso ng P. Santos, guys, ha. So yung iba baka mag-shortcut, P. Santos dumaan. So Bagong Bayan Sur, tapos Ateneo Avenue. Okay? So water stations. Wala ng papel ko. Water stations, we have one from San Francisco Church. So may makita nyo kayong mga varsity players ng Ateneo. So meron tayong 3 water stations. We have one at the San Francisco Church, another one at CSPC along Peña Francia Avenue, and last, the water station will be at the 10. So cross dun sa kanto ng Liboton, Peña Francia Avenue. Okay? So water stations, we have San Francisco, CSPC along Peña Francia Avenue, and the 10th restaurant, corner Liboton Street. Okay, let's now call on Mr. Buel Moneda for our Shibashi. Okay, before we start with our Shibashi, so mamaya na po yung mag-register yung mga nagre-register pa, so you can have it later. So I will invite everyone to gather in front of the 4 pillars. Maintain po yung line natin. Maintain yung line, pwedeng unahan po ng konti dito. Sige, lapit pa kayo, lapit. Yan. Very good. Lapit pa po. Yung mga nasa likod, dali ka na kayo. Yung mga nandyan sa gilid, dito na po. Yan. Masunuring bata. Arms forward or maintain your distances. Okay, arms forward, guys. Arms forward. So para hindi tayo magtamaan. So Shibashi.
Hi! It's a camera.
Okay, let's have Shibashi. First, okay? First, we have the waving hands by the lake. So tingnan si Kuya Bu kung paano ginagawa yon. Shibashi, number 1, waving hands by the lake. Cleansing, nourishing, and leavening power of water. So yung flow of water. So tingnan natin si Kuya Bu, gayahin natin si Kuya Bu. Arms on both sides, slightly bend knees as you lift arms forward. Palms down, pull hands towards chest, palms still facing down, push hands to the side, and start again. 7 counts, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So from the earth we are made and formed with the breath of God. We open ourselves to His goodness and return this back to the earth. Next, we'll have expanding chest on top of the mountain. Healing palms, opening our hearts towards creation. So how to do it? Breathe in while lifting hands to chest, palms facing the body. Extend arms to the sides, opening the chest while breathing out. Breathe in, bringing the hands to the chest. Breathe out as you bring the hands down the sides. 7 counts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. To give us, given all the expanse of the ocean, the strength of the mountains,